When we work in our ad agency, we come across such files like this. Our clients send us assets in Excel sheets like these to create ID card designs for their employees. This might look all well when we look at it like this, but when we check the quality of this headshots, you can see it's all blurred out. It would have been better if they would have just mailed the pics and the information separate. They took photograph from their application forms, we got staple pins slapped right on the forehead here. Next course of action could be we mailing back and forth for better quality pictures and ask them to get a professional photo shoot done. But we already know what the answer is going to be, and they don't have that much time since they want this to be designed by yesterday. So we being the professional ad agency, here is how we get it done. This is going to be an easy-to-follow, beginner-friendly AI workflow how we not only fix the pictures, we'll show the end result too. So let's strap in. Step 1. First, we will save these pictures, all of them, one by one. Step 2. Since this is for beginner-friendly workflow, we are going to use easily available tools for free, so everybody can follow along. For this instance, we will do with ChatGPT. You can use a preferred browser of your choice. You might have to log in with your email ID. The interface is simple. We'll attach one of the pics from our computer. And then we'll paste this prompt, and then just hit enter after a few trials and corrections. This is the final prompt we came up with. Don't worry about the prompt. I'll share the prompt in the description below. We wait a few seconds and there we go. Just the we wanted. I'm going to do the same process to other images too, one by one. And these are the results. So let me put the original images right next to because our aim is not to just generate any AI slop. We have to keep their identity while restoring and improving the overall semi-professional look. Let's close in of their face and double check and make sure we got rid of the staple off her forehead. Step 3 is to design the ID card. I'm using Illustrator here. Feel free to use any tools you're comfortable in. So let's switch the dimensions to millimeters first. Make a rectangle for a base. We'll take the dimensions they shared with us. And let's bring in their brand logo too. Let's get one ready for now, keeping in mind of the brand guidelines. We'll follow their design guidelines and pick their font. Adjust their sizes. Designing is totally up to you guys. There is never a right or wrong way to do it. We got their brand guidelines to follow here. You, on the other hand, can design the way you love. Next, we'll open all these photos in Photoshop. I'm going to pick the same sizes here too. Open all the 3 images we generated. Then I'm going to select the subjects and drag it to our design file. I'm going to place it over here. Let's save this as a TIFF file and let's import it in Illustrator. Let's see how well it aligns. Perfect. Let's go back to Photoshop again and repeat the same process for the other two. I'm going to lower the opacity of this layer for our reference. Well, align just like the first image, and let's save this file separately. In Illustrator, I'm going to duplicate this, replace their respective details like their designation and their mail IDs. And there we go. Let's complete it with the back side of the ID card as per their brand guideline. So thank you so much for hanging around till the end. If you head to the video description, you can find more AI prompts to generate professional-looking pictures. It's all free. Subscribe and let us know what's your workflow in the comment section. Catch you in the next one.